Great. Hi, my name is Mike Mead. I'm with Triad Aer, and I have Dr. Melissa Carlson with us from Fort Townsend, Washington. And Melissa, you bought one of our machines last year. Tell me about what it's been like in the last year.
So I bought both the big model and then 2 MiniAers.
Okay.
We use the MiniAers in the office. We take them to the rooms where there's a patient who maybe is a smoker, and it creates a bad environment for the next patient. Cleans out the room almost instantly. Same with too much perfume or fabric softener. It makes it so that our chemically sensitive patients can be in the office without problem. The big one I took home, and we heat with a wood stove, so there's a lot of particulates in the air. We had an issue with creosote in the stovepipe and smelled up the entire house. It was horrible. 40 minutes I turned that on, clear air, couldn't smell it, all better.
Wow. Now, you had one of your patients ask you for some advice on an air purifier,
Yes.
and you reckon, what was her problem? What was she concerned about?
To be honest, I don't even remember. I talk about it all the time when people have allergies, asthma, something's going on. Have you tried an air cleaner? You know, there's always things that are going to trigger people. Mm-hmm. The toxins is a big thing, and so if I'm going to say clear subluxation, clear causes of subluxation, but I don't tell them you need to eat healthy, you need to clean air, you need to exercise, I'm not doing my job. So recommend an air cleaner. They want to know what I use. I tell them